Well, we've been on the road for several hours now, and we are heading back to our home base in the Tampa area after spending 2.5 weeks on the road. Larry, what do you think?
It's been great. I can't believe how fast it flew by. But we wanted to just jump on and say a huge shout out and thanks to Jarrett and Val with Our Next Adventure for an amazing meetup that we just had, and to thank all the folks at Talona Ridge for an amazing week. It's such a beautiful resort, and we got to see Wes and meet a lot of the staff there, and everyone is so nice and pleasant. It was amazing.
And we even booked our next stay there in advance, and we're thinking about another one if we can make it work. So it's going to eat up all my vacation time, but it's worth it because it's a wonderful resort.
But Val and Jarrett did such a great job. It was so wonderful to actually meet them and get to see them in person. And we just had a very nice, relaxing weekend. It was no stress. We had a wonderful breakfast that everybody provided, and it was really great.
Yeah, and all the people who came to be there to see Val and Jarrett, that's their combination name, were a lot of nice people. We met some new folks.
Amazing friends. Yeah. Amazing people.
And we're looking forward to staying in touch with them as well. It's great when you go and you meet up with other creators, but it's even better when you meet up with new people that become your friends.
It's like I always say, the RV community is amazing.
Yeah.
It really is. We met some wonderful people.
Yeah, we're looking forward to seeing them somewhere on the road in the future too, right? So, Larry, we could talk about it in a future video, but right now, if we had to throw the top 3 of our favorite resorts, I think we got the Surf, we have Hilton Head National RV Resort, and Talona Ridge. Do you have a favorite?
I tell you, I think Talona Ridge is my favorite because when you stand there and look out at the views and those mountains, it's breathtaking.
Yeah.
It really is. It really is gorgeous.
It really is. The view is, the Surf and Hilton Head have even more amenities, but Talona has great amenities and the views make up for it. Neither of the other 2 resorts can even compare when it comes to the view of the Blue Ridge Mountains. So we loved it. All right. Anyway, thanks again, Jarrett and Val, for a great weekend. We can't wait to see you guys again.
See you soon, I hope.
And I know we'll see you on Sunday mornings when we watch your videos, but we hope to see you in person again soon. All right. Bye, y'all.
We are GilComPlex on the road, chasing sunset.